3, 2, 1, and bang, I'm in. Okay, so watch this trade here. Okay, you see that? Magic. You know what? I feel like I haven't spoken to you lot in a good few weeks. I've been traveling a lot and you've been watching my recorded videos. Do you know why I'm traveling? It's because in April I'm getting married, right? So I'm trying to kind of escape and have my last 3 months of freedom before I get locked down and married. That's bad, right? But I mean, that is true, right? Because everyone always says, you know, when I ask people, right, give me some advice of marriage, they always say, don't do it. Thanks. So 3 months of freedom before I get locked away. So that's why I've been traveling a lot. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to everybody that joined my free Telegram group. I'll put a link to the description below. I use this free Telegram group to basically share setups, to share results, share my members' results, to show you transparency, all the profits that we make every single day. And I also do weekly live streams. Every single Monday, I will do a live stream with the free members in the free group. And we just have a trading session. Today, we took a trade on Euro USD. This was the trade we took. If you go into the group, right? Where's the group here? If you go in here, this was that very trade, right? You can actually watch the live stream here. Look, this is the live stream, where I talk about it and, you know, everything, right? We take the trade live, look, okay? So, you know, if you want to be part of it, the link's in the description below. I actually have, I'm not even joking you, right? I have 100% success ratio with setups in this group because I've only, to be fair with you, it's only been going for 3 weeks, right? I've only ever done 3 live streams. But I've took a trade in every single live stream and I've won it, right? Which is quite good, right? I'd also like to say a big thank you and congratulations to all of the BD members. The amount of success I have seen you have this month has been unbelievable. I don't know if it's just January where a lot of people are focusing more on their trading, but I've seen a lot of successful results. There's a couple of losses, but he made profit. That's good. What's that? Right, anyway, I don't know. He's put F Monday, forget that, right? Can't promote swearing on here. If we just scroll up here, these are hold on here, it'd be easier to just go in here, right? I just want to quickly show you, okay, we're going to go left to right. Okay, here we go, here's some trades there, let me try and find you some results. Okay, that was that one, there's me. Oh, what's that one here? There's some results here. Nice buy, another buy, nice little sell. That's a better stop loss and take profit. That's nice. Okay, that's nice. I mean, a bit wide stop loss, but you know, whatever, if it works for you. That's nice. That's me. Of course, that's nice. That's me. I took that trade. That's the trade I took live for you. Again, our members took the trade as well. That's my loss. I'll cover that in a minute, right? Another buy, nice win, nice sell, okay, nice win, okay, this is London Open, nice sells, you get the idea, nice win, right, nice win, more wins. What's this one here? Can't see the red anymore, 25 free, going to chill, right, more wins, you get the idea, right? I see this every single day. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, right? There you go. Anyway, right, what I was saying is I want to say a big thank you to everybody. Now I say myself and I am going to do a new challenge. I'm going to take £50 or £20. I think £20. I'm not quite worked it out yet. £20 to 100 grand. And I want to do this live for you. So why am I doing this? Okay, 2 reasons. The first one is, if you follow me for a while, you know how confident I am with the Mogwai Reversal, right? When I first traded the Mogwai Reversal strategy 2 years ago, I couldn't trade it. And if you follow me throughout the 2 years, you will see how confident I am getting. We did a 24-hour live stream. We did that on YouTube. We made money. You know, these are things that, like, I didn't think I would possibly want to do. You know, sitting there and saying, you know what, why don't you trade for everyone and everyone can copy your trades? And I'm sitting there thinking, you know, what happens if I lose money? What happens if I don't get any setups? What happens if nothing happens? But, you know, as I grow as a trader, I just get more confident. I'm more better as a trader. It helps me also not in my trading, but also my personal life as well. And, you know, I like doing these challenges. I like saying to myself, can I do this? Well, I don't know. There's only one way to find out, isn't there? So go and do it, right? At the end of the world, a setup is a setup. A win is a win. A loss is a loss, right? How you know, play with that, if you're risking 1% or you're trading a 100 grand account or you're trading a £10 account, it's the same. The setup is the same, right? It's how you interact with that setup, the lot size you use, how you go into it, psychology with the mindset, right? The account size, you know, the risk, etc. Now, I've already done this already, right? I've already done this because I'll show you my trades for today, okay? So that's the account balance, 860 odd, right? So it just makes me laugh, right? Right, and these are my trades today. Now, I swear to God, right? I started the day minus £600 and I'm now up £64, right? So today has not actually been the best, mainly because Trump has been, you know, going into presidency today, and the markets are literally going sideways, right? Literally going sideways. That's my week, by the way. Is 108 grand, right? I don't really like showing you that. That's my week, right? So week, day, right? Day, you can see here, right? I started that account with 400 quid. But what I would like to do is do it again, because people do this, right? People always say, oh, you know, is that even possible? Yeah, right? Think about this. If most successful traders become successful at trading because they grow trading accounts. Nobody goes into trading already millionaires, right? You don't, right? You basically just go in like a normal person, you build up the skill, and then you just grow your trading account, you invest it, you withdraw it, you keep learning, you keep growing, and eventually, you know, you start trading 100 grand accounts and £1 million accounts, and it all starts somewhere, right? So doing this, everybody always does it, right? Most successful traders out there will do it. They'll either start off with £1,000, £500, £100, 50 grand, whatever, right? But obviously, you'll just keep growing it and growing it and growing it. But what most people don't do, which I want to do, is I want to show you the psychology side around it. Because most people do it to show off or to show you that their strategy works, which is fine, right? But I know the binary destroyer works. You lot know I can trade. Okay, but what you don't see is the reality of trading, what it is actually like. Because most people on YouTube, they sell you this dream of what it's like to be a full-time trader, but I can tell you it's the complete opposite of what it actually is like, right? Trading is 100% psychology, right? The battle is in here. If you actually look, right, just to prove this, let's take a trade right now, okay? So I'm going to trade the Mogwai Reversal, and listen to this, right? Just listen. For me, the Mogwai Reversal strategy is the best strategy out there. You won't find anything as close as this. You can trade this on any time frame. You don't even need to look at multiple time frames. It's one time frame. So if you want to do it on the 5 seconds, or you want to do it on the 1 hour, or daily, or 15 minute, it works on any time frame, any day of the week, right? I could trade Bitcoin. In fact, if you go to the Telegram group, the free one, you will see all the trades, right, that I took at the weekend on Bitcoin, right? All these trades, look, I took them Sunday, right? I took these Sunday night on Bitcoin. Look, Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin, no, down here, right? These are all Bitcoin trades, okay? Now let's go back to the charts. Again, simple, whatever you want to take. And again, it's simple, right? We're trend trading with the trend, right? We're confirming a trend, and then we're just waiting for a few alerts and an arrow, and that is it. That is it. It is so unbelievably simple, but the battle is in here, the psychology part, right? What makes me so good at trading, I'm getting overconfident here, right, which is bad, but let me give you an example, right? And someone that studied psychology, right? Imagine you're riding a bike, okay? Have you ever ridden a bike and gone, how the hell is my feet moving, my legs, right? It's like it's on automatic, it's like on autopilot, right? It's in your subconscious mind that you just naturally get on a bike and you know how to ride it. You don't even think about it. You know, you could talk to your friend on your phone, drink some water and ride a bike and you don't even need to think about it. It just naturally happens. That's the exact same with trading, right? You need to trade the exact same thing where it sits in your subconscious mind. It's like autopilot, right? When I'm trading the Mogwai Reversal, I go into autopilot, literally, right? I don't look at the numbers. I don't look at the wins. If you were to ask me what's my risk reward, I don't know. How many pips do I make? I don't know. I just take the trade and that is it, right? I actually took a trade, want to show you. I took a trade last night on Bitcoin, right? And I took the trade, it appeared on my phone. I took the trade and I completely forgot about it. Completely forgot about it. I'll actually show you the trade here, right? Okay, I took a trade here. Where is it? Here we go here, right? Here we go here. So I completely forgot I was in a trade. I was cooking a pizza outside in the rain. This was the before, that was the after. Beautiful. Now I didn't set a take profit and a stop loss because I completely forgot. What happened? That happened and I closed it off in a loss right there. But the reason why that happened is because I was in autopilot. I just like, oh, trade, take the trade, done. That is it. Now today, I actually started today off in a loss. If we go to here, okay, and we go to my trades, is it this one here? Yeah, so I started the trading session off in a loss, right? I took a massive loss on gold. No, USD JPY. I'll explain to you in a minute, right? So I took a loss on USD JPY. And then I just slowly got it back and I'm now up 64 quid. Now, most people would panic in that situation because it's a different mindset. When you have 3 or 4 losses in a row, it's very difficult to stay motivated, isn't it? Right? You've got that second thought of, well, I can't afford to have any losses or, you know, now I've got to make money back sort of thing. For me, I didn't even realize. I just take the trade and that's it. Just rinse and repeat. To get to that level, you need to repeat the same thing over and over and over again until it sits in your subconscious mind, right? When something sits in your conscious mind, that is when you start making mistakes. That is when you start overthinking, you start worrying, right? I had the same trade on GPJPY. I made a YouTube video on it where I took a trade at 100 lots, right? Which was way outside of my comfort zone. So it sat in my conscious mind. I went into this trade already conscious that I was going to take this trade at 100 lots. And because I was at 100 lots, I had to win the trade, right? What happened? I started panicking. I exited the trade. God, I'm talking too fast. And I started making a lot of mistakes, right? Now, if I just took that trade at 10 lots, I wouldn't have thought twice. It would have just been all like autopilot. To get to autopilot, right, you need to repeat the same thing over and over and over again until it just sits there, right? Just if I was to say to you right now, go trade the Mogwai Reversal strategy for 1 hour every single day. Just do that. Don't do anything else. Don't look at anyone else. Don't get distracted. Don't add this or take something away from your charts. Just what I'll do here is I'll take a trade right now. Just do this over and over and over again. And I promise you, right? Eventually, it will just sit in your subconscious mind where you don't even care if it's a win or loss no more. Even if it's a loss, you'll be like, well, it doesn't matter because the next trade, I'll get it back. It'll be a winner. See? It's like I said, right? It's mindset. So let's... Oh my God. Right, I'm losing my voice. So let's take a trade for you, right? Now, obviously, Donald Trump has just been elected and price has gone rocketing up, but it doesn't matter, right? We'll find a trade. So on the 10-second time frame, this is just how good I can find a setup, right? You ready? Hold on, is this a setup? No, I'm not taking that one. Ooh, there's some setups here. Look at that one. That was beautiful. Right. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to find a setup. That's been an uptrend for quite a while. What's this one? That's been an uptrend for quite a while. Bitcoin. No. You see how fast? You see how fast? Just look at the way I'm trading, right? Look what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a particular setup. Ideally, the first pullback at the start of a trend, right? This is at the top of an uptrend, right? So I don't want that one. Okay. You know what? I sat there for 20 minutes bigging up the Mogwai Reversal, saying how amazing it is, and I don't even think I can find a setup because Donald Trump's just been elected. He's now in presidency, and the market's literally gone sideways. So I'm going to go to the 5-second time frame now. Let's see if I can find something on here, right? I'm going to find a setup for you, okay? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to the 1 second. And you're going to say, how do you make money on the 1 second? Watch this, right? Watch this, right? Hold on. Let me bring up my... oh, where is it? Here. Let's bring up... Here. Okay, I'm going to take a trade for you. Let me bring up my phone. Give me a sec here. I've got to connect it to the... here we go. How do I do this on my phone? All right, I'm back. Okay. So we'll take this trade out, and I'll do this on the second, right? Like I said, it doesn't matter if you're on the 1 second or 1 hour, okay? It's a mindset thing. Okay? So I'm going to put this over like this here. We're going to take a trade for you. I'm on the 1 second, okay? And you'll understand. You'll be like, yeah, oh my God, Jamie, this is so good, right? So again, I'm going to look for a particular pattern here. This is nice. That is very nice. Ready? Here we go here. GPJPY. You ready? Ready? I'm going to get my phone out. GPJPY. Okay. We'll go in at, I don't want that currency pair. I want GPJPY, not Chef JPY. That would be a big mistake, wouldn't it? Right. Okay. You ready? You can see my charts here. Okay. You can see it, right? Again. And this is just like I said. Okay. Autopilot. I know what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for that MACD to go oversold now. Okay. Once I take this trade and hopefully we make money, I'll break it down for you. Okay, so I'm just sitting here waiting now for the MACD to go overbought, okay, oversold, and it's not just necessarily a line for the MACD. I have to have Mogwai arrows on alert, right? But we're going to come down. You ready? Here we go. We're going to come down. That MACD at the bottom is slowly coming down. Come on. No, that is not good. That is not good. I don't want you to go up. I want you to go down. Okay, I might have to bail out of that trade because it's going up. I need it to come down. Okay, and like I said, you don't want to force a trade, right? You're forcing trades when you're like, well, I'll just sit and hold out, right? Maybe, you know what? To be fair, here we go. Aussie JP, here we go. AED JPY. We're changing tones. Okay, we're back on this one now. This one, hold on. Where's my charts? You ready? The MACD needs to go oversold right now for me to want to take this trade. Come on. I can live with that. That's okay. You can go up, but I need you to come back down. You know what's funny is if I go back to GPJPY now, you'll watch that trade. That will be a perfect trade. And here we go. Now we're coming down. You see that? Right, now we're coming down. I'll break it down for you in a minute, right? Here we go. Come on. That's it. Watch this. Ready? Watch this. Now watch me predict this perfectly. Ready? Okay. Not yet. No. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and bang, I'm in. Okay? So watch this trade here. Okay, you see that? Magic. How did I know that alert was going to appear? Like I said, confidence building, right? So we're going to sit and wait for it here. Here we go. It's just going to bounce off this support line just there, which is nice. Here we go here. Nice. Okay. This is terrible spreads. Like trading in the 1 second. Nice. Right. That's me target. I'm out. That's me done. See that? Done. There you go. I'm back in profit now. I'm back into profit. Okay. Now let's break that down. How did I know that was going to happen? Okay, so first of all, like I said, right, and if you're in the free Telegram group, you will know this, okay? When I take a trade, I'm looking for a clear confirmation of a trend. So we're going to use these 2 examples here, okay? So let's go over, hold on here, I forgot my charts. I can't draw my charts, right? Hold on, give me a sec here. I can't draw my charts. Okay, right, I'm back, okay? So look at this one, pullback number 1. And pullback number 2, which one is the best one of giving us a winning trade? Okay, the answer is actually pullback number 2. Do you know why it's pullback number 2? Because pullback number 1, we are guessing that is a pullback, right? When that pullback is like live, okay, and price goes up and it pulls back like that there, you are guessing that is a pullback, which is not what we want to do, right? We don't want to guess trading. We want to know trading, okay? So it's only until this goes up like this here that you actually have a confirmation that this is now a pullback. So now we have that confirmation that this is a pullback, which means this is a trend. It means when pullback number 2 appears, then now we've got a confirmation it's a trend, right? So pullback number 1 is guessing, because how do I know that's a pullback? I don't, until that happens. And then you go, oh yeah, that's a pullback. So pullback number 2 is like, oh, nice. Now I can ride the trend, okay? And then pullback number 3 is also nice, but again, right, you won't always win the trade because, you should have bought it somewhere down here would have been nice, okay? That's where, FOMO, you want to kind of get in with the trend, but it's too late, right? Now, in terms of stop losses and take profits, you will notice I always take profit at the top of the zone, or I take partials at the top of the zone, okay? Now, this very trade happened earlier with this one here, right? Hold on, if I go back to the free Telegram group that I took trades with everyone, right? You can see the very trade. So you can see where I took early, right? So I took my partials here, and then I left one lot open, okay? And what happened? It just went flying. Look, it went flying. Nice, 1 to 2. And that's the very same thing that is happening here, right? So I take the trade here, okay? My first target, okay, has to be the top of the zone just there. You see how it's going higher now? Because we've confirmed the trend. Confirmed the trend, right? It's trading what we see. It's not guessing. It's not me going, this is why the market moves because it's conspiracy algorithms. No, it's an uptrend. It's going up. Now it's not going into an uptrend because it's creating some kind of resistance area there. See that? So it's probably going to come down, right? Probably. I don't know until it actually does it, and then I'll sell it, right? You see? So again, with this trade here, I always like to take target at the top of the zone, right? Because I don't know if price is going to bounce off it from there, which it did, right? It comes back down. And then it created that higher high there, but then it's going down, okay? So that's how I trade. So the reason why I do this is I like to lock in profit straight away. Helps the mindset, helps psychology. And then if I leave a little bit open, I can just ride the trend. If it stops going into an uptrend like this here, it doesn't matter because, I've made profit. Okay, I've done what I needed to do. If I can get more out of this trade, that would be nice. But if it doesn't, don't worry. Next trade. I'm sure there'll be more opportunities that will just go flying. I'll be like, wow. The problem is a lot of traders want to go for like a 1 to 5 on every trade. Well, you can only do what the market wants you to do. So I'm going to leave that there. What I am going to do over the next week or so is get a plan together on how I can do this with everyone and show you transparency. Obviously, I'd like to do it on live streams, but as you know, I do all of my trading on my mobile phone. It's very difficult to live stream on my mobile phone. Okay, like I said, I was cooking pizza last night and a trade appears, I take it. I can't necessarily live stream that, but I'm going to have a second thought. Again, I will obviously my FX book, broker statements here, and I don't mind doing that now because it's in my name. The larger account, this one, is not in my name, okay? It's in a company's name, which is not my company, okay? And I'll be able to do that. But again, stuff like that doesn't necessarily mean that, like, let me give you an example, right, before I end this video. When people give me broker statements, right, and they say, Jamie, look, my trading results are rubbish. Okay, you've showed me a load of losses. That doesn't help me at all. Let me see you take those losses. Why did you take those losses? Okay, what was your thought process? Showing me those losses means nothing. I need to see your trade. And it's the same with the wins. It's easy to say, look, broker statement, I've took £50 to 100 grand. That's nice. That's nice. But let me see the trades. Let me see your thought process because I don't know how you did that. Right? That means nothing. Did you do that? Did somebody else do that? Was it faked? Was it not? Was it a robot? Were you using the Mogwai Reversal? What were you doing? Showing me a load of wins on a piece of paper is about as good as a pencil with no lead, right? It's pointless. Anyway, see here, see how it's slowly going up? But you see, what you don't want to do is now buy. Because look, the move happened all the way down here. That was the first pullback. That was the second pullback, right? And now we're going sideways. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed that mini lesson. My name's Jamie Palmer, and I'll see you in another video.